Okay guys, I'm gonna show you today how to install a digital lock. Okay, you put a bolt in, and then you take the body and put with this plate, take these big screws, put them together. Okay, then you put this part in. This one is pretty tight. Okay, then you take your spindle, make sure it's inside. Looks like it's inside, yeah. Then you take this plate, these two long screws, they go right here. And then you take this part, okay. There's two screws here. They different color than the other screws. And that's it. Your digital lock is installed. The code on this one is 0513. It works. And that's how you install a digital lock. Thank you for watching.